Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you my skincare routine. So the first step is I use this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I'm trying so hard to show you the bottle. This cleanser is suitable for all skin types. So I put it on my fingers. And then I will gently massage the whole face. Trust me, I'm doing it very gently. Okay, so let's wait for me to finish cleanse my face. And then after that, wash your face with water. And then step number 2, I take this gentle exfoliating apricot scrub from Himalaya. Just a tiny bit on my finger. And then let's scrub your face away. Always remember to do everything gently. This fast forward thingy makes it look like I'm doing it so rough. But trust me, I'm doing it very gently, okay? And then wash your face. Yes. And then I take this face sponge to wipe away all the waters on my face. And then while waiting for the next step, I'm going to brush my teeth. So let's just wait, because I do this every day, so I'm not gonna skip this step just for you guys. My gosh. Alrighty, on to the third step. Okay, I'm using this Freeman Deep Cleansing Clay Mask Plus Cleanser thingy. But I'm not going to use it as a cleanser. I'm going to use it as a clay mask. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to wash this off. Yes, look at that, so fresh, so clean. And I'm taking this sponge one more time to wipe away all the waters from my face. Look at that, I like. Alright, and then I will continue by using this Bio Miracle Water Bio Essence. I don't know what's the full name. And then while waiting for it to dry out, I'm going to use that Antibac hand sanitizer, because we need to sanitize our hands before we touch our face. And now that I have sanitized, I'm going to tap, 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 dab, 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 whatever you want to call it, because that's just what I do. Alrighty. Oh yes, I like that. And then I'm taking this Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum, which I love so much. Look at how much I've used it. Just one pump. And I'll put it all over my face, just like that. And I will usually tampar my face. It's not really tampar, but you know, that dabbing, tapping technique that I love so much. Oh, look at that. And then the most exciting part is this Frankie oil that I got. You can see from my previous video, I've been loving it since then. I've been using it for, I think, 4 days now, but it's so good. And this is my favorite, the Chinese jet roller. It's been said that the Victoria's Secret angels use the jet roller on their face, so duh, of course I'm gonna use it too. So I'm taking this oil and put it on my palm. So usually 3 drops should be enough for me, and I'll put it all over my face. And usually I will put it on my neck, but I can't show you in the video, so Just imagine that. So as you can see, another dabbing, tapping, slapping technique, because I just love doing that. It makes my face look more awake, I think. And the smell, oh my god, it's so good. And I'm taking the jet roller now and just roll my problems away. So say bye-bye to the wrinkles, bye-bye pores, and say hello to flawless skin. My god, guys, seriously, this thing is amazing. You should try it. I'm gonna link everything down below, so you guys might want to check it out. Or you guys can see my previous video where I mentioned about these Frankie products. So keep on rolling because people will be hating. And yeah, this is basically what I do every single day, except for the exfoliating part, because I don't exfoliate every day. I just do it on alternate days, because people say that it's not good to exfoliate, to scrub your face every day, so I don't do it. So I'm just gonna continue rolling my face until I feel like I'm done with it. I'll do it all over my face, just like that. So this is basically it. This is my skincare routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.